May your walls know joy, may every room hold laughter, and may every window open up great possibility this season. Let's shop Marshalls. Okay, so we're fast approaching Christmas and there are lots of items here that are being put out in the stores. So I decided to go to Marshall's, look at this great price for $39. This is a great piece. I do love the color, I love the green, and there's so many decor at great price to look at in this store. This here is a great vase that is put together for $19.99. It does have a lot of different things combined to make it look so beautiful. I love this pop of red leaves in this particular vase. I'm going to try to see if I can find the tag, but I do think it's beautiful. It's something you can put on your table. You can put it on a fireplace. You can put it on an island. It is just very beautiful. And there are various ways you can add other pieces to decor your space. So with Christmas comes the bows, the bells, the ornaments. I think it is so beautiful when they combine all these pieces. It just makes things so festive. This is $19.99 for this particular vase. I like the white with the little white bow at the bottom of it. And then another thing to keep in mind is when you're buying decor, you might find some with some sprayed on snowflakes. I do feel like it gives it that touch of winter. This is $19.99 with a pop of red color in it. Very beautiful, and the brown mesh at the bottom. So another thing I like is the utilization of a train during Christmas season. I think they're beautiful. My kids used to love train when they were younger, still do in a lot of ways. You can actually put this around your tree, at the bottom level of your tree, on a tablescape with other items. I think they're beautiful. There's so many ways to incorporate them. Guys, look at this. This is really nice at $16.99. I love the color on this bear and just the decoration items here that Marshall has to offer. This one is another great vase with a lot of the multicolors of the Christmas leaf and also cone, which is for $14.99. The cones here has the touch of snow on it. Another beautiful piece. Guys, another thing I like to look for is table runners. I did find some here at Marshall's by Rachel Zoe, and it is so pretty, y'all. Look at this. Now the price ranges are different, but they do come in various different designs. I also saw this Santa Claus piece, really cute, at $14.99, and I love the hat on this. Look at the legs. Oh, just so cute. Now, it's so many different pieces that I look for when I'm looking for things to decorate my space. When you have those holiday parties, this is a great store to go in and find some great things that you can use to decorate your space. Here's a piece that caught my eyes. These twin clay pots, they are beautiful at $34.99. I do like the price. They have various long branches stemming off of this clay-like simulation pot. I do like the white color. I think it is very clean. It'll look nice on my fireplace, or at the bottom of my fireplace, as a matter of fact. Also, I love these Christmas pattern when it comes to things like pillows. I think it is so important to have some pillows, accent pillows on your furniture, on your bed, on your chair. I mean, you can use pillow just about everywhere. I love all of these colors, all of these Christmas themes, all of the patterns. I just love it all, guys. This is really beautiful. You know, you can just incorporate it based on your color scheme and what you want to show for Christmas. Here are some great items. Now remember, the pillows are going to differentiate in prices due to the size of the pillow and how much pattern or design or even the fabric, what it's made of. So they come in different sizes, different prices, And so just look through to see what you want. Feel and touch the pillows. I like to do that. And so that way you can know that what you're purchasing is exactly what you want for your home for the holidays. So if you have a little girly girl or you're into pink, here is a pillow for you. Also other pillows such as things, if you're into baking, here is another great one for you for $29.99. So if you're enjoying this tour, make sure to subscribe, like, share, and comment. I'll really appreciate that. All right, let's keep looking around. Okay, in this section, it looks like all things pink Christmas decor. This item can be placed on a tabletop. You can put it at the bottom of your Christmas tree as an additional decorative piece at $12.99. I also like this polka dot pink dare for $7.99. The price is not bad. It's really small and cute. And then also just a lot of the decorative items here that they have at Marshall's. I think it is something that you can pick up and add to your decorative item. They have the horses, the different types of Christmas trees. Take a look at these creative Christmas tree. I like this candy cane simulation Christmas tree. It's for $12.99, and I like the way it has the candy cane kind of melted and folded on this to simulate a Christmas tree. And here are some more of them that are interesting looking. And also the one on this end is like a donut simulation tree. I do like the various different colors. This is also $12.99. Love to use lots of red and gold in my Christmas decor. This right here is $12.99 for this gold deer. And here we go with more trains and more trees. So here's another center table piece that you can use to decor your space for Christmas. This can go on a tabletop, can go on an island, a console table, a dining table, a center table, a side table. Just about any flat surface you have, this is pretty, and that can go on there. This looks like a reindeer for $12.99. I do love the shimmery on it. Also a lot of made in India pieces that are very gorgeous, nice, and well designed. I love this one. I can actually reuse the pot for a candle stand at $16.99. This is very elegant and will really bring out my space. So guys, here's a little story time about this next item. This is a gorgeous crystallized gold, silver, shimmery, you name it piece. I think it really stands out. I do have a huge floor piece that is designed the same exact way. I wanted to pick this up during this tour, but I did not. So I'm hoping it's going to get marked down and I'll still be able to find it. Let me know if you want to see the item that I'm talking about. I love the crystallized, shiny, shimmery pieces when I decor my space. It just gives me that vibe that I do love. Here is one of my favorite items I saw on this tour. I think this is extremely beautiful. The gold ball, you can put this under your tree. You can actually hang it. It does have the gold hook on top. I think this was like $49.99. And the pop of color on this piece is outstanding. It has gold, it has a touch of red, it has the green branches, it has the little berry simulation on here. It's just an overall great piece. The other thing I saw was this piece also. It's something that you can use outside on your front porch, in the grass. You can put some lights underneath it. This one wasn't too bad with the price as well. Depending on the size, this was $39.99. I think it's a great piece that you can add to your decor items on the outdoors or indoors. This one was $59. So these are some huge pieces you can use outside, inside, depending on where you want to put it in the house. You can put it in an open space, a hallway. They're just a lot of beautiful items here at Marshall's. Alright guys, so I know a lot of people like to decor with statues, and so here are some of the statue items they had here at Marshall's. Lots of Christmas items such as the Santa Claus item. This one here is $39.99. It is a decent size Christmas item, and then you have the different types of Santa Claus in their different outfits and the different sizes that they have here. They had some large pieces actually, so I was impressed to see these here. Also the different other types of statues such as the dogs, the reindeers, the deers itself. I mean, all around Marshall had some great items. Now for these large pieces, you can stake them outside on the outdoors in your flower bed if you're someone who have a garden, and at this point at Christmas you don't have a lot of plants growing, so you can use some of these for the season. The snowman, you can put lights all over these items and just give it that Christmas look and that decor that you want on your outdoors. So keep that in mind. There are various ways you can incorporate these items in your outdoor and indoor space. Alright, let's see what's around this corner here. More pillows, it looks like it, more decorative pillows. You can go wrong by adding a wreath on your door. I normally add a wreath for all types of season: fall, spring, summer, Christmas. It's just such a great look from a distance, and when you have guests coming into your space, that's kind of like a way to welcome them in. So I love incorporating these for all seasons. The great thing about these is that you can swap these out from what they are now. So if you have something for Christmas, you can actually remove the ornaments and change them for spring. You can also change them for summer. If you have that decorative skills, you should be able to do that and kind of reuse your base of your wreath. So you're using kind of like the shell of the wreath and you're incorporating other items and mixing in other things. So I would change this out into some summer flowers instead of the Christmas theme, and that way you don't have to keep purchasing many different wreaths. But these are great to add in your space, either on your front door or your back door. You can also just have it hanging on your front porch, and this is really nice. It just gives you that Christmas vibe and that Christmas feel that you want for the season. So one thing I'm going to say about ornaments is that a lot of people love to pick these based on their color scheme for that season. So if they're doing pink and white, if they're doing silver, they're going to incorporate those ornaments or those types of ornaments. Now another thing is, if you're doing the standard red, green, and white, these will be great. I do think they're pretty. They come in different patterns, different shapes, different sizes. Ornaments are something that elevates the decor on wherever you place them, whether it's the tree, whether it is your fireplace. It is just a great addition to whatever you're doing. So make sure to think about how you can incorporate them in your Christmas decor. Alright y'all, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed going on these tours with me. Let me know if you want to see more of this video content. I will be sure to create some and post them and share them with you all. Again, thanks for sticking with me throughout the video. As always, I am wishing you and yours a very much happy holidays. Make sure to stay safe, decor your space, and I will see you on the next one.